Did you know that 80% of cardboard boxes end up in landfills? Let's change that by making a cool wall shelf. First, grab your materials: thick cardboard sheets, a ruler, pencil, cutter or scissors, hot glue gun, paint or decorative paper, and wall hooks or double-sided tape. Step 1. Measure and cut. Decide on your shelf size. A 12 by 6 inch base is a good start. Cut out your base, sides, and back panel. Step 2. Assemble. Glue the side panels to the base, then attach the back panel. For extra sturdiness, add extra cardboard strips at the joint. Step 3. Reinforce. Glue additional strips to the underside of the base to prevent bending. Step 4. Decorate. Paint or cover with decorative paper. Add beads, stickers, or faux flowers for a personalized touch. Step 5. Attach to the wall. Use strong double-sided tape or wall hooks. Ensure it's level before securing. Finally, decorate your new shelf with lightweight items, small plants, picture frames, or trinkets. Now you have a stylish, eco-friendly wall shelf. Happy crafting!